Hi everyone, I hope you're doing great today. Okay, so I have so much to say, but I won't say it all. And it looks like I'm gonna speak a little bit of Igbo in this video. So, Obone Boni Igbo, and you're listening to me now. Achọmka ige m ntị. Unu na-anyụ n'afọ na ihe mee nwanne anyị nwoke Nnamdi Kanu bụ ihe akwadogolo akwado a long time ago. It's a plan. I don't really know a lot of people who were not expecting this to happen. I personally was expecting it to happen. But always something and you will not caveat to this. Naturally speaking, they have psychologically prepared us enough for it. But no matter how much anyone prepares you for something like this, barefaced, glaring injustice, given that we are in a country where terrorists who kill, and they don't just kill, they do sacrificial killing. They kill in the most horrific manner known to mankind. They just get taken to a place where they call rehabilitation center, where they basically just take care of them, give them VIP treatments, and then the next minute they call them repentant terrorists and are integrated into the Nigerian system. In a country that does this, a country that tolerates hardened terrorists, globally proscribed, having peace talks with government authorities, having press conferences, terrorists that disembowel pregnant women, take their children, the babies out of their wombs and then kill the babies, are pardoned without even a chastisement, nothing, just pardoned, integrated, all VIP. In a country that is like that, one would expect that it is absolutely impossible to sentence a man like Nnamdi Kanu for what he said in a broadcast. But we are living in a theater of the absurd. Nigeria is a quintessence of absurdities. But that's not even where I am going. Nene benaga. Ken Munti. Unu nayo na funa since kamwe Donald Trump mecha luta Nigeria for all their wickedness and crimes. Chupuna wenya ike owe designate Nigeria. That ever since then, when he went there, Ezigbo watching there, all of them have been fighting, looking for how to say that it is the problem of Igbo people. No Igbo melo Trump ujiwe lota Nigeria. Etosiwe lota Nigeria now. The same BBC that coined the propaganda terminology of Igbo Q was the first to fire the first shot by claiming that it was IPOB affiliated organizations that carried out the campaign to Donald Trump. Here we man against those guys nugu. Kafa we bidaga bubendi bai. Nka make the kwa make on a walk on your. Ebute kwa another one. Nka make kwa kona be trend on mukwa. Ebute kwa another one again now. That no some Biafra we put some stupid document has now with them from 2021. Meanwhile, Trump had already designated Nigeria in 2020 before. Ghana na natural death. So basically, if you look at it, if hana no ni bihariak everywhere, na try to hagis we rope on the bo in kebidaga before Donald Trump polunde Milan na Nigeria. He have the plan. Ha chohoka ndi Igbo di normal, di okay, di sane. Before Trump land there, because now malugo na mwe Trump ga land in Nigeria within them, and all got fear of how we carry out their plans against Igbo. That is why Nnamdi Kanu Juebia, to me, not as a surprise, but as a setup or distraction or setup. Actually, can the buy react here? Can the buy be do declare basita to munkan na Igbo ka we mwiki buluzin di befa uniform. Weje ba sine go serious threat in that place. Then we serious time we can declare state of emergency na buy. We buluzi uniform repentant in one hand we unleash it on our people. Mbe repentant terrorists basi na bayana army na bayana police be kichi na ndi ni na haiti ngasi na army no. The bank kwan montio. Since the Civil War of 1967 and 1970, Ayadibe were anywhere close to freedom as we are today. Not for once. Chineke na azagokwe belanyo. Not to hear your brother now, because I'm in a place where I should know. I have never come across an Igbo person. Maybe there are one or two exceptions, but it's hard. I've not come across an Igbo person that deep down in their soul does not wish and pray for Chineke na to zana our Ekpa freedom kain welo why. Only Igbo bonifo ngolala nia. But this pain and this burden now bali everywhere. Mwana wasiki as your own brother no ni simiri maybe hesieme that na Chineke na zage belawa, not that no na chi just zage already. Ndia we na chozi ke provoke why can you make something oga by me tupu nyemaka na chi bia elu ayaka obuna hebuto sigondi ba nine e akwa set up. So achom you with a video Kesasia video to as many people as possible. One the buying in and I'm say who no bana dere no ju una ango na ungo na unko na bia. At the US Congress hearing on the designation of Nigeria, hearing now take place right now. A congressman, black man, literally was speaking about Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to the hearing of the whole world media not there. The guy when they disgrace Nigeria with the case of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu even mentioned that the guy had to defend himself with sickness and everything. Yet terrorists are walking around free, holding press conferences. Owanina Malugo, Nigeria is dancing naked. Completely naked in front of the whole world, and only Nigeria seems not to know that it is naked. Happen on Nigeria, okay? Happen on Nigeria. Una dabakwana na trap in the Nigeria. Dono muna kananti, jidono muna aka. Una wakwana anwa. Overreact to heneme one nine work because decision on our brother. Mpotia Adiko decided I will not speak more than that. Una wana we baye na trap mpakara ndi kwensua because I daba na trap fa more deaths for us. Don't worry yourself about Mazi. Lotana mbwagia today 19 woke ya puta, and it will happen soon. God bless you.